maybe a faint smudge on the one. You might think that's just normal wear and tear, right?
Yeah, I mean, most people do. But to an AI, that's literally your password.
Exactly. So, welcome to today's deep dive. We are looking at the startling reality of modern cybersecurity, specifically how AI is revolutionizing hacking.
Right, and how the everyday Android phone, the one sitting in your pocket right now, can actually be transformed into a devastating command line weapon.
It's wild because, the perimeter of our security has totally shifted.
Oh, absolutely. We spend so much time, stressing over complex encryption algorithms, but we forget that attackers are finding incredibly creative ways to bypass the code entirely.
Right. They just start with the physical world or human psychology.
Exactly. Take smart phishing. Scammers aren't just sending those poorly spelled emails anymore. They set up hyper-realistic influencer collaboration sites.
Like a fake collapsed or something.
Yeah, a spoofed collapster. You log in to link your YouTube account, and you think you're perfectly safe because you have two-factor authentication enabled.
Wait, but 2FA is supposed to be bulletproof? Are you saying it's useless if the attacker automates the login in real time?
That false sense of security is the whole trap. The attacker system isn't passively logging your keystrokes to use later, It takes your credentials and automatically triggers a login attempt on the real platform.
At the exact same millisecond.
Yes. The automated system generates the real 2FA prompt. You type that OTP code into the fake site, and they instantly feed it to the real server.
So it's like handing a temporary VIP pass to a bouncer who is actually secretly cloning it for the guy right behind me.
That is a perfect way to put it. You literally unlock the door